Hello again, YouTube. So, doing another two-parter tonight. As I have recently earlier today, I've gotten some new box sets. And these are part of the Underground and Progressive Sound series from Esoteric. And the first one I'm going to show you is Round and Round, Progressive Sounds of 1974. With this lineup having Camel, Barclay, James Harvest, Jethro Tull, Kevin Ayers, Daryl Weiss, Wolf, Hatfield, and the North, Bebop Deluxe, Jack Bruce, Caravan, Gong, Straubs, Stackridge, Nectar, Peter Hamill, Gravy Train, Budgie, Greenslade, Renaissance, Traffic, Big Man, PFM is here again, Procol Harum, Refugee, Kayak, Yak, Hawkwind, Todd Rundgren's Utopia, Robin Trower, and the sensational Alex Harvey Band. So, got this one also too. This one. So, and that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last one in the description below, and to all at YouTube. Have a good night.